The Airbus A380 is one of the most extraordinary machines ever created. As the largest passenger aircraft in history, this double-decker giant can carry more than 800 passengers across continents and oceans. Weighing over 560 tons and powered by 4 massive engines, the A380 represents one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. But behind its enormous size lies a fascinating story filled with incredible engineering, ambitious dreams, and surprising facts that most passengers never know. Today, we're counting down the top 10 amazing facts about the Airbus A380. Number 10. The paint weighs as much as a car. Before the Airbus A380 ever carries its first passenger, it undergoes a painting process that is almost as impressive as the aircraft itself. The giant airliner receives between 12 and 15 separate layers of paint, including primer, base coats, top coats, protective coatings, and the airline's distinctive livery. This process takes approximately 2 weeks and is completed inside specialized climate-controlled facilities. When finished, the paint covering the aircraft weighs around 1,300 pounds, or roughly 600 kilograms. That's about the same weight as a small car such as a Fiat 500. The reason for this enormous weight is simple. The A380 has an incredible surface area of approximately 36,000 square feet. That's enough area to cover a professional football field. But the paint isn't just for appearance. At cruising altitudes of nearly 40,000 feet, the aircraft is exposed to intense ultraviolet radiation, freezing temperatures, moisture, and extreme weather conditions. The paint acts as a protective shield, preventing corrosion and extending the lifespan of the aircraft. Although some airlines have experimented with reducing paint weight to save fuel, most operators consider the protection and branding benefits far more valuable. As a result, the A380 proudly carries what is arguably the heaviest paint job in commercial aviation history. Number 9. Built from 4 million parts. An Airbus A380 consists of approximately 4 million individual parts. That number includes everything from massive carbon fiber wing sections and giant jet engines to tiny screws, rivets, brackets, and electrical connectors. These parts are supplied by around 1,500 different companies spread across 30 countries. The aircraft's wings are built in Wales. Fuselage sections are manufactured in Germany and France. Tail components come from Spain and Germany, while engines are produced in the United Kingdom and the United States. Managing this enormous global supply chain is one of the most complicated logistical operations in manufacturing history. Even more astonishing is the aircraft's wiring system. If every wire inside a single A380 were stretched end to end, they would extend for roughly 330 miles. More than 100,000 wires connect thousands of systems throughout the aircraft. Every component must arrive at the assembly line at precisely the right moment. A delay involving a single supplier can affect the production schedule of the entire aircraft. The Airbus A380 isn't simply an airplane. It's a global engineering project involving thousands of companies and tens of thousands of workers working together to build one of the most complex machines ever created. Number 8. Transporting the parts was an engineering challenge of its own. Building the Airbus A380 was difficult. Getting its enormous parts to the final assembly plant was sometimes even harder. The aircraft's final assembly takes place in Toulouse, France, but its major components are manufactured throughout Europe. Many sections are simply too large to fit inside conventional cargo aircraft. To solve this problem, Airbus created a unique transportation network involving ships, barges, and specially designed road convoys. Massive fuselage sections travel by sea around Europe's coastline before being transferred onto giant multi-axle transporters. These vehicles move at walking speed through French villages during the night to avoid traffic. Roads had to be widened. Bridges were reinforced. Roundabouts were removed or redesigned to allow the oversized cargo to pass. Residents along the route became accustomed to seeing gigantic aircraft sections slowly rolling past their homes in the middle of the night. Every Airbus A380 ever built completed this remarkable journey before reaching the assembly line, making transportation one of the most fascinating parts of the aircraft's story. Number 7. One of the quietest giant aircraft ever built. For an aircraft weighing more than 500 tons and powered by 4 massive engines, You would expect the Airbus A380 to be incredibly loud. Surprisingly, it's one of the quietest large passenger jets ever built. From the very beginning, Airbus engineers knew that airport noise restrictions would play a major role in the aircraft's success. If the A380 generated too much noise, airports could limit its operations or charge airlines expensive noise penalties. To prevent that, Airbus incorporated advanced noise reduction technology throughout the aircraft. Its powerful engines use high-bypass turbofan designs that produce thrust more efficiently and with far less noise than older engine generations. Special acoustic liners inside the engine nacelles absorb sound before it escapes into the atmosphere. The wings and landing gear were also carefully engineered to reduce aerodynamic noise during takeoff and landing. The result is remarkable. Despite being the largest passenger aircraft in history, the A380 is noticeably quieter than many smaller aircraft, including older versions of the Boeing 747. Passengers often describe the cabin as unusually peaceful, especially on the upper deck. Conversations are easier, engine noise is lower, and the overall flying experience feels more relaxed. For a machine this enormous, its quietness remains one of aviation's greatest engineering achievements. Number 6. Showers, bars, and luxury suites in the sky. The Airbus A380 gave airlines something they had never truly enjoyed before: space. With over 5,900 square feet of cabin floor area spread across 2 full passenger decks, airlines suddenly had room to create experiences that had previously seemed impossible. One of the most famous examples comes from Emirates. Its A380 fleet features luxurious shower spas reserved for first-class passengers. These private suites include heated floors, elegant interiors, mirrors, and 5 minutes of hot water available while flying at 40,000 feet. Imagine taking a shower while crossing an ocean at nearly 600 miles per hour. Emirates also introduced an onboard lounge and cocktail bar where business and first-class passengers can socialize during long-haul flights. Meanwhile, Singapore Airlines transformed luxury travel with its private suites. These fully enclosed rooms feature sliding doors, personal wardrobes, separate leather chairs, and full-size beds. Some suites can even be combined into a private double bedroom, making them the only commercial airline cabins in the world capable of offering a genuine double bed in the sky. The A380's size made all of this possible. No other passenger aircraft has ever provided airlines with so much usable interior space. Number 5. The wings flex up to 13 feet during flight. The wings of the Airbus A380 are engineering masterpieces. Stretching approximately 261 feet from tip to tip, they are among the largest wings ever attached to a passenger aircraft. Yet despite their enormous size, they are designed to bend. During flight, aerodynamic lift causes the wings to flex upward by as much as 13 feet. Passengers seated near the wings can often watch this movement during takeoff and turbulence. Although it may look alarming, the flexing is completely intentional. A flexible wing is actually stronger and lighter than a rigid one. By allowing the structure to bend naturally, engineers reduce stress on the aircraft and improve its ability to absorb turbulence. During certification testing, Airbus pushed the wings far beyond normal operating conditions. Hydraulic machines applied forces equal to 150% of the maximum loads the aircraft could ever encounter. The wingtips bent an incredible 24 feet upward before finally failing. The test proved that the wings were strong enough to survive conditions far more extreme than anything they would experience during normal airline operations. Number 4. Airports had to rebuild themselves. When Airbus introduced the A380, airports around the world faced an unexpected challenge. Many simply weren't big enough. The aircraft's massive wingspan, enormous weight, and double-decker design required major infrastructure upgrades. Taxiways had to be widened. Runways needed reinforcement. Parking stands were redesigned. Jet bridges had to be modified to connect simultaneously with both passenger decks. Airports spent billions preparing for the arrival of the world's largest airliner. At London Heathrow, entire terminal areas were redesigned specifically to accommodate A380 operations. Dubai International Airport went even further, constructing dedicated facilities designed around the aircraft's unique requirements. Emergency services also needed new equipment. Because the upper deck sits so high above the ground, Many airports had to purchase specialized rescue vehicles capable of reaching passengers during emergencies. The A380 didn't just change aviation, it physically changed airports around the world. Number 3. An engineering masterpiece but a commercial failure. Technically, the Airbus A380 was a triumph. Financially, it was a very different story. Airbus invested approximately $25 billion into developing the aircraft, believing the future of aviation would revolve around transporting huge numbers of passengers between major hub airports. The strategy seemed logical, but while Airbus was building the world's largest passenger plane, the aviation industry was moving in another direction. Instead of larger aircraft, airlines began favoring smaller, more fuel-efficient twin-engine jets like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350. These aircraft allowed airlines to operate direct flights between cities without relying on giant hub airports. Passengers preferred non-stop routes. Airlines preferred lower operating costs. As a result, demand for the A380 never reached Airbus's expectations. Only 251 aircraft were produced, far fewer than originally projected. The program never recovered its development costs. Although passengers loved the aircraft, market economics ultimately decided its fate. Number 2. The unexpected A380 comeback. When the global pandemic brought aviation to a halt in 2020, many believed the Airbus A380's story was over. Airlines retired entire fleets. Aircraft were parked in deserts across Europe and North America. Some were dismantled for parts. Industry experts declared the era of the super jumbo officially finished. Then something unexpected happened. Travel demand returned. As international routes reopened, airlines discovered they suddenly needed more capacity on their busiest routes. Flights between major cities were selling out rapidly, and smaller aircraft couldn't carry enough passengers. One by one, airlines began reactivating their stored A380 fleets. Aircraft that had been sitting motionless in desert storage facilities returned to service after extensive inspections and maintenance work. Even airlines that publicly announced permanent retirement plans reversed their decisions. Today, the A380 continues flying on many of the world's busiest long-haul routes, proving that reports of its death were greatly exaggerated. Number 1. Why nothing like the A380 will ever be built again. The Airbus A380 represents the end of an era. It was designed for a vision of aviation focused on bigger aircraft, larger hubs, and maximum passenger capacity. But the industry evolved. Modern airlines now prioritize efficiency, flexibility, and direct connections between cities. Smaller twin-engine aircraft have become the preferred solution. Because of these economic realities, aviation experts agree that another aircraft like the A380 is extremely unlikely. The market simply no longer supports a passenger jet of this size. Yet despite its commercial challenges, the A380 remains one of the greatest engineering achievements ever created. Each aircraft contains approximately 4 million parts sourced from around the world. It can carry more than 800 passengers across oceans and continents in unmatched comfort. Its size inspires awe wherever it appears. People stop and stare when it taxis past terminal windows. Aviation enthusiasts travel specifically to experience it. Passengers actively seek out flights operated by the giant double-decker. One day, the final Airbus A380 will make its last landing. Its engines will shut down, passengers will leave, and the world's largest passenger aircraft will quietly enter history. When that day arrives, aviation will lose not just an airplane, but a symbol of ambition, innovation, and engineering on a scale the world may never see again.